Hi, my name is Riley. Welcome to my first ever video. So, I'm a model and a baker and a food enthusiast. And as a food enthusiast, I recently purchased a year-long subscription of the deluxe ultra big Universal Yums box. I used to have a different snack box for a little bit and I was disappointed with it, but this one a friend of mine had a subscription to and I was impressed, so I got my own for the whole year. I did that before I found out I didn't have a job anymore, so I sort of regret that decision, but having these packages delivered to me every single month also brings me immense joy. So if I would have known what I know now, I wouldn't have done it, but I'm really grateful that I did because I really, really love these. So without further ado, I'm going to open up this February box that I just got the other day. And we're going to see what's inside. And I'm going to try everything, and I'm going to let you know what I think about everything. So what we got? Ooh. Okay, we got Ukraine. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, we're gonna eat everything, but let's just like look through it first. Let's go through what everything is first. Got a little booklet in case I can't read what the things are. And as always, a cute little sticker. It's a Valentine's Day one because it's the theme. This day I found eternal love with Ukrainian yums. All right, don't let me down, Ukraine. So far, it looks pretty cool. We've got Bonnie fruit, which just looks like fruit chews. Summer mix, 25% juice. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, what else? I don't know. Onion ring potato chips? Let's look it up. Let's read about it. Oh, those aren't those ones. Okay, so we got 2 packages of chips. Where's the other package of chips? 3 packages of chips? Okay, sour cream and onion and dill rings. Oh, okay. Sounds delicious. Yes. And then we got another one of these in bacon flavored. Ukrainian fried bacon chips. And then what else? And another package of these. So these better be good. These ones say they're spicy. And this one is veal and ajika chips. Okay, I don't know what that is, but we're gonna find out. Let's read about it. Time for another hot commodity. Ajika, this punchy paste made with red pepper, garlic, and herbs and spices like coriander and dill, actually originated in Abkhazia, Georgia. Forgive my butchering of the words. When it spread to Ukraine, locals made it their own by adding a heaping helping of tomato and using it to add spicy flavor. Okay, it's a veal and everything in between. Okay, so it sounds like a shakshuka a little bit. I'm here for that. Okay, now we got 2 of these. We got a bigger one. What is this? Bread chips, okay, with onion. Delish. And then we got, looks like the same thing, but a smaller bag in garlic. So I have a garlic allergy, sort of, an intolerance, I guess you would say, but I'm gonna eat everything here. I still love garlic. The reason I have that intolerance is because I ate too much of it, so it's definitely not that I dislike garlic. Okay, so what do we got here? We got some cake looking thing. Once again, I cannot read that, so I'm gonna have to go to my handy dandy guide here. Dictionary, what do you call this? Food encyclopedia. Ooh, tiramisu cream cake roll. Okay, okay, okay. I'm excited for that. Let's definitely eat that. Under that, we've got Choco Shocks. A full package of this wafer cake. It looks like Buenos, which I'm here for. Can't wait to taste you. Okay, okay. Got a little chocolate bar. There's a lot of chocolate in here. I'm happy about that. Let's read about this chocolate. They're all different. Let's see whose cake is whose. Where's this chocolate bar? Perhaps I should have organized this better before I started. But you know, I don't know what this is. Roshin, which I don't see this one in here. What's happening? I can't figure it out. It's some sort of chocolate bar. Oh, there it is. Ugh, can't read. Creme brulee milk chocolate bar. Sounds delish. Into that. Okay. Got hair in my mouth. Into that, we got a toffee bar. Looks like it's covered in chocolate. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's just toffee. We're going to find out. That looks delicious. Oh, this one seems interesting. I saw this one on the first page. What do we got here? Wasabi chip strips. Sounds delicious and interesting for sure. Can't wait to try that. We got this baked milk and dark chocolate wafer. That looks delicious. I don't know why I said it that way. That was awful. I apologize. So you can't take it back now. And then we got another one of those in dark chocolate and almond. Oh man, this box is impressive so far. Not letting me down. Not letting me down. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed with the Dutch box. Everything was delicious in it. There's just like, everything was kind of, there was a lot of really similar things. They're just kind of like replaying each other. And that's why, not saying I didn't like it. I loved almost everything in it. Except for those fruit and licorice combos. That was disgusting. Who thinks that's a good idea? I don't want to hear about it. Do not send me comments. Okay, so I don't know. There's two of these? Oh, there's just two of them. I'm looking for like a separate package. So these are creamy rich, sweetened condensed milk cream cakes. Ooh, that sounds delicious. And I've got two packages of them for some reason. Lucky me. We got this thing of whole package of cookies. What kind of cookies are they? Orange zest butter cookies. Ooh. That's gonna be a delicious treat for sure. For sure. Okay, we're almost done looking at everything in here. We got this and then the little treat bag. This is caramel bubble white chocolate bar. So like Aero chocolate, but white chocolate, I'm guessing. We'll find out in just a minute. Okay, so what's the last thing that we're gonna look at is what's in the little treat box. So they put little candies and stuff like that in the little treat box, which is another thing I really enjoy about this box that we get here. So what do we've got in this treat box? We've got some fizzy candies. I like fizzy candies. Let's read about them. Where are you? Fizzy citrus candies, bursting with Ukrainian lime, orange, and cola. Ooh, I don't like cola, but I'll try it, I guess. And then the other one is juice-filled fruit jellies. And then, okay, let's get everything out here. I don't know what that is yet. This one, nope, that one's not on this page. Minky Blinky. Oh my god, there's so many candies in here. I mean, obviously, I have to try all of them. Okay, so you are sweet milk toffee. Yum. Uh-oh, we lost one. We'll get that in a second. Where's the other candies? Filled toffee? I don't see this one. Probably just not looking hard enough. No, that's the first page. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know what all these candies are, but they sound delicious. I'm excited to eat them. We got a fruit juice-filled caramel toffees, juice-filled fruit jellies, and the fizzies, which is what it seems like we've got. So let's get into it, guys. Let's open some of this stuff up. Obviously, I'm gonna have to go in order from savory to sweet, because, you know, I mean, we could mix it up a little bit, but I'm just probably not going to do that. So where do we start? I would like to start with the garlic chips. Let's give it a go. Oh, okay. Okay. So these are like, sort of like the thing inside the combos, or Gardettos? Combos is something else. Okay. How do I open this? Well, I already wrote it. I opened it poorly. That's good. It tastes like a... That's really good. Oh, I miss garlic. It tastes like a... It almost has an Asian flavor to it, like really good wok fried veggies. Kind of tastes like a garlic crouton. Tastes like a mix between garlic crouton and like wok fried noodles, if that makes any sense. Okay, so far so good. That was delicious. Onion flavored ones I expect to be just as delicious. I'm not sure why this one's in a bigger package. Also has different nutrition facts. Oh, there's a little... This one does not open easily. Little thing on the back. How do we make our bread chips? Slicing the bread, frying in oil, sprinkling it with onion powder, packing it. Do they have that on this one? Yes, they do. Garlic powder. Okay, I can do garlic powder. Garlic powder won't make me sick. Okay, on to the onion ones. The packaging is a little strange, but I'm not taking off points for it. Yeah. These are delicious. So it's just like rye bread, rye wheat bread. One more for the road. So these ones almost have the flavor of those sweet Maui onion chips. But like, they're different because they're on rye instead of a potato. I like that. That's really good. So far, so good, Ukraine. You are impressing me. Okay, let's start with these guys. Yes. Okay, these look fun. These are really thin. I thought they were going to look like Funyuns or something, but they're not. I mean, it's good. Man down. They're like so light and crispy and thin that it almost feels like you're not eating anything. These could be really dangerous. Well, at least they're fair about the serving size. The whole package is the serving size. Okay. So far so good, Ukraine. So far, these are all winners. Bacon flavored. This could go either way. They look like little bacons. Look how cute. I mean, it smells like artificial bacon. This is also the same texture as that, but a different shape, which in turn gives it a slightly different texture. These are quite good. I normally don't love fake bacon flavor. There's absolutely no bacon in it, so, you know, sometimes that can go awry. Perfectly delicious. 10 out of 10 for everything so far. Really knocking it out of the park, Ukraine. Okay, these ones are like more like potato chip shape, like the veggie chips that you can get. And I don't know what brand they are, but they're supposed to be spicy. They're not spicy. They are delicious. I don't know how to describe this flavor. I mean, guess it tastes meaty. It says it's veal flavored. And whatever that spice is that I'm probably pronouncing really poorly. Ajika. These are good. The same texture. They're like really light, like extra light. Like I don't think we have in America a comparable snack that's this fluffy and light and like kind of melts in your mouth. I wouldn't say it melts, but almost melts. It's like take 2-3 crunchy bites and then it's gone. Okay, I think this is the last savory item. And then we're gonna move on to sweets. Pretty excited about this one too, I'm not gonna lie. I can't open the box properly, but that's a design flaw. You're just gonna break them. Oh, it was supposed to go all the way around, and it didn't. Okay, let's fix it. Not break them, even though I think I just already did. Golden chips, potato. So these are wasabi sticks. I mean, that's not what it says on here, but that was their English description. And they are wafer thingies. This is interesting. Wasabi and potato. A match made in heaven. So yeah, I did break the tops of them, otherwise it'd be one long sheet. Let me see if I can get the bottom of it. I ruined it. It's ruined. Let me open it a little bit more. Get the bottom of the long sheet. Not making a mess everywhere. Yes. Okay, so it would be a little bit bigger than this. It would be like that. It would be like that. Ish. It's a long chip. The shape is irrelevant. The flavor's good. It's not spicy. Like you'd think wasabi flavor would be spicy. There's like a second of that like spiciness and then it dissipates. And really just has the flavor of wasabi. Or horseradish or whatever the hell they're using. I don't know. It's somehow not spicy, but it's really delicious. I would definitely consider purchasing these on the shop side. Because in case you guys didn't know, you can buy all the snacks individually. If you like something, and they're very fairly priced. Anyways, that's why I got the subscription, because I want to try everything first, and then I'm going to make my own boxes. All my favorite snacks. Okay, where do we start with sweets? I guess I'll start with this one because it's on top. It's heavy. Toffee Creamy Deluxe Bar. Okay, so it's like softer toffee. So it's kind of like caramel, right? I'm just gonna take one little square because we got a lot of sweets to eat. It's not my favorite. It's just like a really sweet caramel. It's not my favorite. First boo. Where's my water? I do not like that. I will not be eating the rest of that. Whoa. I will not be eating the rest of that candy bar. That's not for me. It's caramel. It tastes like caramel. It's just a little too cloyingly sweet for me. Like, it has no depth of flavor. It could use some like salt. Something. I don't know. Okay. Try this almond hoo-ha. Got an almond one and a caramel one. Why will you not come apart? Okay. It's a big old honkin' bar. Some serious business right there. It's all wafer. Dropping it everywhere. It's yummy. One more bite for posterity. Yummy. It tastes like a little hazelnutty, but I know it's not got hazelnuts in it. It's almond, so. But it's good. It's like a chocolate covered wafer. And this is that same thing with caramel, so I expect it to also be quite delicious. Wish that, like, they made it easier to open things the right way. You know what I'm talking about. There's a right way and a wrong way to open packages. And, like, oftentimes the package will encourage you to open it the wrong way, like tearing it down the side. That's the wrong way to open a package. Unless you intend on eating the entire contents of the package right then and there. I digress. Is it my imagination? Or is this one a darker chocolate? Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Are these the same color? Maybe they're the same color. Okay. Maybe I'm just crazy. Well, now that I've destroyed that package, talking all about the wrong way to open up a package. Okay. That one's good. I do think it might be darker chocolate though. The caramel one's a little bit better, as to be expected. I've already forgotten what this chocolate bar is, so let's look that one up again. Oh, that's the creme brulee one. Okay. See if we can just get like a little square of it. Boy. Well, it's already broken apart, so let's just we'll take off that piece. That piece is extremely broken. This did not do well in shipping. Okay, it looks like it just has caramel inside of it. I'm gonna try to eat it. Even though it's broken. I was gonna try to bite it in half, but. I mean, I don't think it tastes like creme brulee. It's a tasty bar of chocolate, to be sure. The filling doesn't quite taste like caramel. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's good. I'm definitely going to continue to eat it. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing at all. All right, let's go to the juice gummies. Cleanse my palate from some chocolate because I got some more chocolate to eat in a little bit. I like the little tub that's inside the bag. That's really cute. Should I try more than one flavor? Or should I just try one? Does it say what flavors they have? No. Well, I mean, this looks like a pear. If I try the pear one, I definitely have to try another one because I've never had a pear gummy before. That tastes like a pear. So they're not like super chewy. I'm trying to think of what other candy is like this. There isn't one. Okay, should I try? I'm assuming this is a watermelon. Definitely watermelon. Wow. These really taste like the fruit. Like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try the cherry because cherries never taste like cherry. Tastes like cherries. But because it doesn't taste like what I think of as cherry flavored, it tastes funny. It's a little perfumey. I'm assuming this is a peach. Yeah, it's gotta be a peach. Okay, so these are pretty tasty. They really do taste like fruit. Like straight up. Straight up. All the way. Okay, what else do we have? What else do we have? We've got a bunch more stuff, you guys. There's so much stuff in this box. I feel like I really hit the jackpot here. Okay, let's go for golden key mini cakes with condensed milk cream. Okay, let's take a bite out of one of these. Cake in a package is not my favorite thing in the world, but I've been surprised by a couple of these packaged cakes. Let's see if this one does it. Smells good. I mean, maybe I need a palate cleanser. It doesn't really taste like much. I really should be sipping water in between each snack. Okay, let's try that again. It's kind of good. The cake part kind of tastes like a honey cake, like a Jewish honey cake. I don't know if anybody knows what that is. I don't know how to make them. I just remember eating them when I was a kid. Tastes like a Jewish honey cake. Can barely taste the cream filling, but maybe it gets thicker in the middle. That's what she said. That doesn't even make sense, but you know, I had to. Okay, more packaged cake to try. Hopefully this comes in rolls and I don't have to like just take a bite out of the whole package, but if that's what I have to do, that's what I have to do. Looks like maybe that's what I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, I would like ideally a knife for this, but I don't see that happening. So I'm just gonna take a bite right out of this cake. No sharesies. It's all mine. Okay. What kind of cake? Tiramisu. Okay. That tastes like tiramisu. And it's yummy. And I'm definitely going to enjoy that some more later. Yes, I actually really like that. The flavor is nice and strong. It's got a deep tiramisu flavor. I'm here for it. All right, orange zest butter cookies. We're almost to the finish line. Hopefully I'm still filming all of this. Smells good. It's pretty good. I wouldn't call it a butter cookie. It's good though. It's chewy. It's not crispy. It looks like it'd be really crispy, but it's chewy. It's sort of crispy. In the middle, which I don't even know how they did that. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good cookie. Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest of that later. We still have so much candy to try. Okay, palette cleanser. I have a full package of this for whatever reason. Guess I'll be eating this long into the next box. Okay, how do I get a piece of this off? This is a whole stinking thing. Oh, never mind. It's in little pieces that I can break off, maybe. Nope, not easy to break. I don't know how to do this. So I'll just eat it. Yes. I was trying to break it, but it was just like smushing the top of it because it's filled with, it's like crispy wafer, so it has no strength to it. I'm making a mess. I don't know why it's one like solid bar like this, but that is tasty. It tastes similar to the Kinder situations, the Buenos, and all those things. Definitely delicious. Definitely tasty. Now on to the white chocolate bubble chocolate. Oh, see this one I appreciate. Right here shows you how to properly open the package. And they make it easy to do so. Why can't every packaged thing understand that that is how you open a package? You need to have it open so that you're not tearing it completely, so that you can close it back up in some semblance. Let me take one little piece out of here. Okay, it's all crumbled apart. Otherwise, I'd pull out the whole bar and show you. I guess I can show you a segment that broke off on the top. Not usually the biggest fan of white chocolate, I'm not gonna lie, but one of my favorite candy bars of all times is the Hershey's Cookies and Cream. Okay. It's exactly what it is advertised as. It is a Aero bar, but in white chocolate. Just chocolate with a lot of holes in it. I'm not sure what the appeal of the holes are, but people seem into them. Okay, it's candy time, guys. I mean, not that that's not candy, but... Okay, one of each, one of each. All the fizzies look the same, so I'm just gonna eat one fizzy. One of you, one of you. Minky Blinky and Milky Splash. So those are the fruit-filled toffees, I'm guessing, and this is the other doodad. I don't know about this, but we're trying it. We're trying everything. So Milky Splash. I'm gonna try the strawberry toffee because I have no idea what that's supposed to taste like, and I'm confused by it. That's what it looks like. A lot of packaging. Smells mostly like caramel, but a little bit like fruit. Got a little fruit middle. That's not great. It's not great. Let's hope this milky one is better. Well, that one has a very different texture. I mean, it's also not great. It tastes like the other toffee stuff that's pretty terrible, the overly sweet caramel with sweetened condensed milk in the middle. And the sweetened condensed milk is actually less sweet. Not great. Not great. Okay, here's the fruit jelly. Oh, there's fruit in the middle. Or juice in the middle. I mean, that's not great either. To me. I couldn't tell you what fruit that is. If I had to guess, I'd say plum. It definitely tastes a little perfumey. Okay, this one's a hard candy. And it's got fizzies inside. Ooh, that's an interesting flavor. I think it's supposed to be lime flavored, but it actually tastes like a mojito. It tastes like mint and lime. Maybe this is all one flavor. Oh no, It looks like there's supposed to be 3 flavors in here, but I think I got all 1 flavor, which is extremely disappointing, but at least I didn't get the cola one, because I strongly dislike cola candies. The lime one tastes like a mojito, though. There's definitely mint in there. Okay. Okay, Fizzy Boom. Well, this concludes my sampling of the Ukrainian Universal Yums box. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Probably not. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And I will do my best to make one of these every single time this box comes, as soon as it does. Would have made it yesterday, because it technically came yesterday, but I was sick to my stomach, so I couldn't eat all of this delicious food. Anyways, that concludes the conclusion. Oh God. Okay. Thanks for watching.